Hey everybody, it's Becca here with another idea for you during this virtual or blended or social distance time, depending on what you're at. Now, I happen to love devising theater, and Frantic Assembly is of course one of the leading groups with devising assembly, and they have a very well-known exercise called chair duets. Now, if you're not familiar with chair duets, don't stress. You can just Google that and you'll learn all about it. And it's very simple. It's essentially choreographed movement, and they just use a chair as a starting point, but you can really do this in any physical way. Now, it's certainly hard to be physical right now with the restrictions, and some of you I know have students who are able to be in person, but they have to stay in their chair the entire class period. So here's the adjustment. What you're going to do is assign students a movement. And when I say assign, I should clarify and say that I mean that I would like you to assign the students a movement that they're going to create, all right? So you're gonna say, everybody where you are in your chairs. You can do this on Zoom, you can do this in person, okay? I want you to do one movement, all right? And so maybe that is that movement. And each person is doing their own. They shouldn't be looking at each other. In fact, a great way to help with this, have them close their eyes or put in some kind of moody mood music that helps them create, right? And then have them create a second movement, and then a third movement, and a fourth movement. And they can do anything that they want on their chairs, all right? Then you would have them face each other, and again, still social distance, so you're okay. Or on Zoom, you could have them one person at a time show them and see if there's any connection. So maybe Sally is watching Susie. She's like, oh, I could start yours because my movement, I go like this and then you go like that, right? And it will create a movement. So you're going to have them do the chair duets just solo, individually, at their workstations. This can be a super fun activity. This can take a lot of time or a little time. It's really up to you. I know that chair duets have been an incredibly powerful thing. I want to challenge you with music on this. I really feel like music will help drive the mood and kind of put students in a different frame of mind. If you play the theme song from The Incredibles, for instance, versus the soundtrack maybe from Lord of the Rings, right? There's a huge difference in that type of music, and that the physical response that the children will bring out or the students will bring out is very different. You can put this together in a variety of ways and create movement. You could even have them go, student A does a movement, and then student B in their chair does a movement, and then student A goes back and does another movement. So it really does create a partnering instead of doing all four movements at once and then four movements at another time. I hope that helps. Happy to answer any questions you have. I have been seeing some comments that have asked me to do certain videos on certain things, and I will totally be doing that. So if you have a video or an area that you'd like to see, maybe you don't quite know how to teach something with this pandemic, or how on earth can we with social distance, throw it down in comments. I would love to take up the challenge and see what I can come up with or what I've done that has worked. I hope you're having a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and as always, you can go to my website, which is listed below, and schedule a one-on-one consultation if you'd like, or at least sign up for my email. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you next time.